ewiase ya we wonim ewiase yesi nyame onku ya abonsam ye kwa yo Mahama obenyi acha wate na crash ye no amamme o kristoni odo ya ba megidie mu ato. Hello, hi, Xposed. The name is Members. Baby, I will be able to check a Siena Mao. Nyame, nyame. Eno nyame. Eno nyame. Ochinobe nyame. Jehovah asem na mabekei. Na crash ye no. Amamme o kristoni odo ya ba megidie mu ato. Asem no nanka de beto Ghana na nye we o. Anka ye mampani, the first gentleman of the land. Nanka beka hu bi. Wengam or your Assemblies of God so for penny pa. I respect that man. Now or you very close to the presidency. Now assembly your kind on pese ekoti ba. Na ye ba ye be bebe mu ni ahu senia etie. Yenko he video ni mra.
Social media and saying, Assemblies of God, thank you for saving our president's life. It's not about the clap and listen. Sound better for me. Listen carefully. We did nothing except that. That's why the speaker said you must be prophetic. You don't need to be a prophet. When last week I received a call from the president's secretary that he would not be able to come today, and that he had been invited to La Côte d'Ivoire to be the special guest of honor for their independence, and that His Excellency had asked the vice president and his wife to come in this place. I said, thank you, Dr. Callistos. Then I called Reverend Bauer. Reverend Bauer, President said he's not coming. I said, I don't accept it. Go and mobilize the prayer team and pray and reverse it. Reverend Bauer is my witness. Where is he? Ask him. I told him, I said, I don't accept it. Then Monday, when we arrived, I was a bit late. I was just coming and First Lady called me, very angry. Said, Pastor, President says that he's going to La Côte d'Ivoire. No, we are coming for this program. We are planned for this program long ago. No way. It was a battle on the phone. Battle on the phone. He said, don't accept it. I was talking with her when the president was calling. I said, Mama, President is calling. It's okay, I'm going up, but don't agree. So President explained. I said, Your Excellency, I understand. Your will be done. Then when I was leading prayer, I saw Mama calling again. I couldn't receive the call. Then she sent a text and said, we are coming on Wednesday so the President can travel on Thursday. So that was how it was averted. If he had come today, he would have traveled yesterday. So when the speaker says we must be prophetic, every pastor, and this comes by being very prayerful, spending time, hours before the daily not that you pray on Monday, you don't pray Wednesday, when you're going to preach on Saturday, then you start fasting on Friday. No. When you do that, you get disconnected intermittently. And many of us, because we're not prophetic, many things have been ruined in your ministry because things happen at your blind side. But it is not us. Bible says God works in us both to will and to do according to his pleasure. If this thing had happened, God forbid, what would be our story? We are going to spend some time to thank God for saving them.
Ewiase ya we wonim ewiase yesi nyame onku ya abonsam ye ne kwa ai your mama obenyi acha wate ai because o hwe senia events ne ba ye na da bia me ka bibi me say wo ye bema tie wo yere ai eba spirituality nyama tie wo yere. Listen to your wife. I'm telling you, by virtue of anything I don't know no nyame timi eyi nyama di kire ema more than a mema. That is my view. It's wo yere na ko baby no so that say I don't feel good in my spirit and then maso da ye bi and can't kire say of so kwakope girls of course ebia na girls na kwakope what say kwa enko because only be say first lady say ye wura mama entie na ankene eye na ye no eye double kenan ke kan say ye ni say but ewiase to obey is better than sacrifice. So says the good book. It's a do baby. No matter who you are, ye share or obi or no Bible ma no ye chief commander in chief and no leprosy. Or do one papa ni se kwana ko dwai Jordan. Initially no say what do you mean we so papa obi fi. O tie nyam no ko dwai ye no. Nyame je no. Na ewie one person no all super na minim nti o su muntaka. Interior minister say ese bibi nti no su. Enko tie mra.
But for our finance minister, Muntaka would have been on the plane.
That's why he was crying so badly.
Muntaka was the 5th person on board with Dr. Manibuama.
Hey.
Then Atu dragged him out.
At the Air Force base.
Atu said, no, you can't board because we have a meeting with the immigration guys and I need you there.
That explains his tears.
Yeah, that's why he was
so he boarded the aircraft.
He was supposed to go. Murtala was not on the flight.
Murtala rather
was not on the flight.
Because they normally go.
5.
So Murtala was not on the flight.
Murtala wasn't. So it was supposed to be Muntaka.
So it was when Atu insisted and dragged Muntaka out.
Then Murtala
replaced him as a vacant seat. Then Murtala replaced him.
So many things happened yesterday. Because our president was supposed to go, he didn't go.
Understand him.
Mutaka was supposed to go, he was pulled out, and somebody else went. So it's only God.
So it meant that it was Mutaka's leaders on the manifest.
Yeah.
Well,
So that was what happened. So at the end of it, I mean, I think that
that's why people started mentioning his name when it happened.
Okay.
Because I'm sure he might have also told friends and family that he was traveling.
No, everything was done. He was boarding before he was dropped, actually.
You know, so much, as far as I heard Mutala, I don't know where the tears came, just one, because I knew him.
Rodlin, please put your thoughts on hold.
Asem we mahu bisa. Eka kete. Mahu bisa. But enu ne ma Nyankopon Nyankopon. Hwese nyanka okoko wuram. Na ya friends ato force said there be mini wo meeting to sign. Na osan ye no see ye. O see ye men ka se omo maka no de enye hwe. Ye nyina ani nyina because omo no ye Ghana forma. But nyame hwe mame tufo. Sa wo ko baabi. Na o ko baabi na o car enspark. O ko je battery enspark. Wa ko je obi car no so spark a nyame bo kokko don't go. I don't care what you are going to do there. When I speak of them, it is better to live today and then to work tomorrow than to die. Die. Because you know, so when say your friend say I to force in can was me filming me no otinema I can one. It's what was me. Me part yin na for when yes you are there. Say do baby na nyame pesa o save you or the signs me ba. Na say kwa mate say your friend so jani no wu ye no. Sign me by ye catch them no. But minim ye see ye. I suppose you chef member subscribe to me to my now on Saka Manuel.